in color. That's your finish line, white in color. Structure you can see. This is movable.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is red in color. Otherwise everything is white. Now this structure is on top. It is red. Here white, red. Sorry, white. Both are white in color. Here this is not there. ये है नहीं यहाँ पर जहाँ मैं बता रहा हूँ. This is white in color. Okay. Now white, red, white. Any questions? That is white. Okay, आगे आ जाओ.
That white is not there.
Okay. This your start line. That's your finish line. Structure you can see white and top it is red. Here you can see red. On both sides it is blue. This is red. Otherwise everything is white. This structure you can see it is white in color. This side it is top it is red. This portion is white in color.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now there is a hole here and this is white in color. Structures white, red and white, white and blue. Here white and blue and red. This is white. Come ahead. Now you can see blue. Your start line blue in color. Finish line is white in color. Okay. Structure you can see white, white and red, white, white, white. Now these are not part of your structure. Okay. This is white and red, white and red. Now, okay. Not part of your structure.
Tire.
ये tire is not part of a structure. Platform is your part of a structure. This structure is there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is also not there. Okay, any questions? Yeah, this is white and blue. This is blue here, and this structure is also on top. It is red. Any questions? Okay, now the general question which was asked by her. Basically, what is happening? The approaches which are there, you can follow any approach, any method you can follow.
Okay, so can we use one?
Yes.
Yes. Any side.
Okay. Any questions, anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, start.
I think we should start from here. It is more accessible.
Okay, this is red in color on top.
Yeah. Look.
On top
Wait.
it is red.
Wait.
It is red.
I think we should turn it.
Simply we can make a loop over here.
I think we can directly go from that approach. The third approach is better because we can directly apply the plank from the white line to
Yes,
that
we can
structure.
apply.
Any rule broken?
Yes, sir.
14, where are you standing?
Yes, sir.
Hold it.
So I think
We have to proceed from here only. But plank. Wait. Yes.
touchable. I think it is touching the red area.
It is not touching the red area.
Okay, it's not touching.
It is not touching the red area, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is not touching. Proceed. Chest number 14. Proceed.
Let me see.
Place your leg over there.
Yes, sir.
Take the help of the structure. Chest number 14. Just take the help of the structure. Place your leg
Forward.
behind. Yes.
Forward.
Any rule broken?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
That's anyway.
Is it
It
touching?
touched little bit.
It's touching.
So
Sir, now it will not touch, sir.
what you should do if it touching?
I think we should tie a rope just below that support of that
I
plank.
don't think loop is required over
No,
here.
we doesn't have to make a
Yes,
loop. We
it
just
is
have
just
to
like we
put
will
the
we will pull the plank little bit backward.
Just push it.
Yes, it is now accessible.
Just make this.
yes,
Okay,
like this.
Proceed. Chest
Now
number
you
22.
can go.
Don't place your leg here. Place your leg over here. Over here. Over the structure. Help her. Okay, take the plank. Make the loop over that things. Just take the loop. No, we can't throw it.
Any rule broken?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
She touched the ground.
So what she should do?
One step back.
She should come back.
Don't keep it over that platform. Keep the plank over that platform and tie up
What
the
you're
loop.
supposed to do, if you break a rule, you have to come one step back.
Yes, sir.
Just first make the loop from
I
First
think
make
we
the
should
loop.
make a loop from the hooks and then can directly put the plank to that white line.
To proceed over that white
the
line.
end line. You can make put the plank.
Make a tight
We
loop.
should carry the load or not?
Where is the load?
You'll have to make the loop long.
Where is the load?
So make
Chest
a
number
loop
14.
little bit longer so that the plank should
Yes,
not
yes.
have the higher distance more than 4 feet.
And it will not waffle or swing.
You can make the loop more longer.
Meanwhile, you can pass the plank if it is not okay. You can pass it.
But how we only
I
two
will.
people can go there.
But we need to.
First, the chest number 10, only 2 people can go via.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm just handling the plank. Is the loop tight? Okay. Now put it. And place the plank over that white line.
And one of you can go.
Will it reach? Will it reach?
No, sir.
No.
The loop has to be little bit longer.
Lose the loop.
Yes.
Lose the loop, chest number. Chest number
Make
22.
a loop more longer.
Okay, okay. You can proceed.
There is one more rope. You can use that.
You can
Take
the
it.
one loop out. One hook.
Take it. Chest number 22.
No, not like that.
Yes,
It is
take
from the two ends. So take it.
take out
one end out.
the rope from one hook and stick it to the one hook only. Yes, like this.
Now you can do.
And one have to just keep
Chest number
hold of the
22,
plank.
Chest number 14.
It will be stable.
I think it's.
I think
Yes,
we
I
can
think chest
proceed.
number
Chest number
22.
14. Just handle the plank and let 22 be over there. Chest number 22. I think you should proceed. Without making the loop, I think you
Use
can.
Another rope, chest number 22.
Non-Europe. We are making it more stable. But it's
I think it is
Ah,
already
chest number
stable.
22
You won't fall.
Chest
So
number
you
22,
should,
it is
move.
stable. You can proceed further and check the stability. And place your leg. Yes. Now you can. Chest number 14, help her. Yes, it is stable.
Now pass the plank.
Pass the plank so that we can take more members over there.
And pass the another rope also.
Place it over here. Place it over here.
Hmm.
Proceed chest number 8.
Carry
Chest number 8.
the load as well.
Load. Where is the load?
Put it.
Load the one who is coming in the last can take the
No,
load.
no, it will touch. It will touch.
We can
It
pass
will
the load
touch.
first.
Yes. No. Come here. Place your leg over here. Yes, proceed. Yeah, pass. Take the load.
But we can take it later.
No, we have to take it now only. Otherwise, we will.
I think chest number 14 now we should move
I think one
to the
What
starting.
will happen? You'll follow the same procedure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, एक काम करो. 5 of you cross the finish line. पैदल कर जाओ उधर. इसको रहने दो इधर ही. One of you stand here.
Sejal, stand here.
उधर जाओ.
We have race.
How will you get her? इसको कैसे लोगे?
With obstacle, I guess.
रुक जाओ. Sejal, first you come. Sejal. No, chest number 8.
How will she come?
Chest number 15.
Listen to me. Yes. Now place your leg over that obstacle. Place your leg over the obstacle. Then come. And meanwhile, chest number 14 will take the plank from that obstacle.
Broken? That's why.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
दोबारा जाना.
Chest number 15.
इधर सर के उसको.
Touch हो गया क्या?
She was the heavier person. I think the lighter person should stay there.
लाइटर ही तो है इसलिए तुम्हें छोड़ा मैंने.
Sejal is not so light.
अरे कुछ भी हो वो जाएगा.
अभी-
बल्ली लगा सकते हैं रस्सी की जगह.
Yes. Now take the plank.
कुछ भी नहीं करेगा.
Okay. Any roll broken? इसका पाँव कहाँ था?
Sir, ground touch.
On the ground.
चलो.
Pass the plank.
चलो move ahead.
Take the loop. Okay, come. One person just hold it. Come, Rishika. Come, chest number 8. Yes, place your leg over here. Come. You also come. Come. It won't. It won't. It will. Will. You okay? Now come.
I think.
Yes. Now come.
Give the rope.
Yes.
Give the rope.
Yes. 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 Now you can come.
How can we take it from
I will take. You come.
I think.
with the help of plank only?
Yes.
Where's the bully?
Place your leg. Just come.
Where's the bully?
नीचे से. यहाँ पे रख. यहाँ पैर रखना. आराम से रख.
Now what?
From here we can give
Sir, loop can be
Which
Chest
is
number
better?
10. From here we can
Which
give.
method is better? What is happening?
Chest number 10. From
Loop
here
is
we
little
can
bit
give her the human support
over or
only.
Yes, sir.
We have to place our
Will
leg
it
over
be
there.
stable?
Chest number
No,
10.
sir.
Will
Chest
it
number
be
10.
stable?
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes.
From here we can give her the human support and
What
she
is
can
it?
get out
Yes.
the rope.
Yes. We have to place our leg on the bully.
What other helping material you got?
Just give the rope.
Bully.
Balli,
Balli.
rope, and the
Other than
plank.
Balli?
Rope.
Another rope. With the help of that we can. Now you can come.
Now you can come. Come.
बीच में टूट जाएगी तो बीच में रखो टूट जाएगी
कोई कुछ नहीं टूटेगा.
You come. It will not break.
टूट सकती है वो नहीं टूटेगा.
अरे shit यार. पकड़.
Don't put
दोनों
your
पैर
leg
रख.
here.
दोनों पैर
बीच में रख
रख.
ना.
चल तेरे भी दोनों पैर रख.
अरे जाते टाइम पीछे पैदल जा सकते हो जब रूल है.
बंदे को रखना चाहिए था
अरे थोड़ा पीछे करो थोड़ा. पीछे कर लो.
Now you come. Now you come. Yes.
ओके चलो मूव है.
I think we should approach from this side, as the plank would easily fit in this.
Yes.
Pass me the plank, please. Chest number 14. Thank you.
Okay, that is not part of our sector here.
Yes,
Which
sir.
ones are this? Okay.
Leave it.
No, it will touch. We have to just
No, there is no need
place
to
it
put
over
the
there.
bully because
It will
it
touch.
is
It will
enough
touch.
stable.
Yes,
Yes.
it is stable. Now you can proceed.
I think one more along with this.
21. Just place your leg over that structure.
That is white in portion,
Yes,
right?
that is white in color. You have to place that. Yes. You proceed.
Now what do you do?
रुक.
Which is better method?
So we
अब
can put a
पूरा
bully
रखो.
over here to make it stable.
अब जाओ.
Okay.
Okay,
जाओ.
that's what I want. I was thinking.
Actually, it was away from us, so we put it.
Now we can
Now what will
proceed
happen?
on that structure.
I think Sejal, we should.
Put the bully.
less than 4 feet so we can
Not Vali.
No,
You
it is
can
not
directly
less
place
than
the
4
plank
feet. We
over
have
there.
to go with the help of the plank.
You can directly place the plank over there. No, we cannot.
No, we can't
cannot
put
place our
the plank on the blue line.
materials over there. On the
We
on
can
the
put material on the blue line, but not
on
on
this.
the red line.
yes.
on this
structure.
under that.
Any rule broken?
Yes, sir.
Chalo.
Sejal, just number 14 help. नीचे चाहिए. No. वहाँ जाना पड़ेगा एक को यार.
Stable.
No, sir.
So
One person have to reach over there.
what you बोलो?
I think we can put this plank on the ankle also because it is diagonally available distance.
I think it's
It is stable now. You can proceed and place the plank over the 2 holes. Chest number 15. Yes. Now place the plank over that area.
use this structure.
I think we have to pass the plank first here because we will not be able to provide that plank there.
अरे हाँ.
Okay.
Come, go Rishika. Give me the ball. Go. One more can proceed. Take the load and go. Just take the load. Arre. Take the load.
Oh my god.
How?
Just wait a minute.
हाँ, just come over here. Take the load and you may proceed chest number
Pass
39.
it to chest number 15.
Yes. Come see.
Stand on a
Just be
single
aware
foot.
the red line is there.
You can take a help to put your 1 feet on the white portion.
Now go over that. Chest number 14, 15. Chest number 15.
One person can go
Take
there.
the other person's over there.
I think two.
I think loop is not required.
No, don't put that.
Loop is not
I think
required in the
Sejal,
structure.
you should fix the plank under that ankle
Yes,
and
under
then
that.
put the plank. Two of us have to come there first.
Okay, proceed.
Just come softly. You can.
Don't touch.
First pass the load. First pass the load because you will not able to fix the plank.
One more can go there. You can just hold.
Chest number 8.
I think there is one more idea.
Yes, we can place the plank in that.
Plank in between those ankles.
Outward pointing. So when
The end should be below that ankle, not like this.
I think
Okay.
it's stable. Huh?
She's
Okay.
moving to that side.
Proceed further.
I think you should carry the load with yourself, not you just not put it right there.
Okay, proceed. Touched.
No, it's not.
Touched.
Shift the plank little bit back.
Yes.
Then what is the distance?
So less than 4 feet.
Sir, less than 4 feet.
Yes, sir.
39, you go.
39.
How can you increase the height of this?
So by making the loop more tight.
Or by placing the belly. In
Yes,
that
sir. By
structure.
place. No,
But
we can't
belly
place
will not
belly
fit
like
over
that.
there.
But the belly height is.
Chalo.
Increase the height.
Chest number 30.
Pass the plank.
Pass the load to chest number 15 and then pass the plank.
Okay. One case number 21 is telling that if you tied the rope,
Yes, sir.
then the height will be
More increase.
More.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now pass the plank, chest number 15.
I think one of us should also go there.
I think I'm going. Chest number 39.
Chest number 29, help. And let the loop over there only.
Don't untie the rope.
Yes.
I think two of you can come.
How can other person?
I think
From here we will pass the plank to you directly.
on that platform, it will not reach.
I think the structure is having more than 4
Yes,
feet
4 feet,
distance
more
and we
than 4
can
feet
pass.
distance is
We
there.
can't pass like this.
And plank behind that. Yes.
चलो. No. उसको क्या कर रही है?
Come. Give me your hand if you want. Okay.
Just put your 1 feet here and 1 feet there.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Now place
Now
the
took
plank.
out the plank.
Now what will happen?
Place the plank. Give me the rope. Give me the rope.
I think chest number 8, it would be much more easier if you will fit the plank below that ankle.
Yes, that's
And-
what I'm saying
yes,
since starting.
below that ankle,
Yes. To
Yes.
make the plank more stable.
more stable. Yes.
Now proceed. Take this. You may also proceed, chest number
You should
21.
not put your leg at that place. You can put your legs on the blue
Blue
portion.
Proceed.
Yes.
Give me the
I think 3 of us should pass first.
Okay,
Because-
you may pass. Yes, it is more tighter now and the distance will be less than 4 feet.
Shift it back.
Okay.
Okay. Any rule broken?
Sure.
What? Where is the
Load is kept on the blue
Where is the
portion. I think you should pass it to the
Load
chest
कहाँ
number
होना
15
White.
on white portion.
Should be on
Pass
right.
the load to the chest number 15.
Just put it on the plank.
Okay, now chest number 8, proceed. Chest number 39, you also
You
proceed
should also
with the
go.
belly and the rope.
Just two of person can come here.
Yes, you
Yes,
both can
yes.
go.
39, go.
Leave it. It will not go anywhere.
14, you may also proceed.
Yes.
Now chest number 21, pass the plank, please.
Okay.
Now instead of using the same idea, I think we can make a loop here with the help of the rope.
But I think, yeah, we can also take
There
it.
is another idea.
Yes, that is another idea. But I think this is more. Come on, 12 and 22. Look, wait. Stand little bit. Yes. Come. Place your leg over.
Now pass
yes.
me the plank.
Yes.
And I'm having one more idea on this structure.
What did I tell you about group room?
There is one more idea. If you all agree,
Yes.
that I'll put the one end to this ankle and
Yes,
one
this
end
is also
to this.
workable.
So
height is more than 4.
no, it is
No,
not
no,
more
it
than
is not
4
more than
feet.
4 feet. Proceed, just number 12. 12 proceed.
Which was easier?
This one was.
So the below.
The below one.
So I think we can use this one also. It is another idea.
And the below one also was.
Can I touch this?
Yes, you can write.
Place your leg on the
You are
blue
not touch me,
structure.
not keep
Blue
my
part.
hand.
Now you can move that to that blue
Proceed,
part.
just number 34. 30. Huh. You may proceed further. Help her in fixing the
आ
plan.
जाओ ऐसे ही आ जाओ तुम वहाँ पर पैदल अच्छा चलो ठीक है
Chest number
Which?
Okay.
Proceed, chest number 12.
Yes, you can go.
Help her, chest number 14.
You can go.
30 also proceed.
Yes.
Now pass the plank. Our one more member is there. Please come, chest number 22. You can give me your hand. Place your leg. Chest number 22.
We will use different idea.
place it over there.
Uh,
I think from one more way, we can come like this also.
yes, this one is also applicable.
As it is lower to ground
Yes.
and it is safer. Yes.
Any rule broken?
Yes,
Go back.
sir.
Go back.
Go back. Move to
Place
that
your
blue
leg
part
in the blue region only. Blue
Yes.
region only. Place your leg.
and then move to that side.
Yes, go over there. Proceed. 14, 22. Proceed. Give your hand to 14.
I think now we have to secure the rope as the last one will not able to.
We will take it from the plank only.
Chest number 10, one can person.
You just
I think we can make plank.
I
in
think we
this.
can also take help from that structure also.
Yes.
Blue portion.
But from here we will
We'll
put
give
the palli.
human support
Just
from
one
here.
of
I
the
think
person just
chest
come
number
first.
10, you should proceed first.
Yes, I am proceeding. Come.
And just give her the human
Love.
support from here.
First, you have to come.
How will she come?
I think
She will come by plank only, sir, and I will take out the rope from both the loops with the help of this
Chalo,
plank.
chalo.
I think instead of
Okay,
doing
will
that,
try.
Okay,
sir.
you keep standing here. Let me how will you take out the rope? Chodo. Let me see how will you take out the rope.
With this.
निकाल के दिखाओ. Any rule broken?
yes, sir.
निकाल के दिखाओ. नहीं निकाल के
It's
दिखाओ.
not workable, sir.
So I am having an
I
idea.
thought to do it.
I'm having an idea
Yes.
that we can directly take out the plank
Chest number 10, I think
as we can
You can proceed on that platform.
fit it here. Yes.
Wait.
No, it will not touch the ground. It is not touching the ground.
Take the loop.
I think we can take our loop like this.
Come.
21. And give her.
Please remove your hand.
It
Take off your hands. It won't touch the ground.
Place your leg on that.
Did it touch the ground?
Yes, sir.
वापस.
पैर में ही रखना चाहिए. Give pass the rope first.
Chest number 21, you can move there.
Take.
Chest number 21.
Yes.
I think that one side is higher, more higher. So you should use that one.
This one?
Yes, it is more higher than that.
Okay, we can use it. But how?
Chest number
It's not workable.
Place the plank over here.
You can come on this platform.
Okay, yes, we can directly come on this platform.
Directly कैसे होगा?
No, you can't.
So,
come.
I think you can take the plank and put it there.
It will give the. It will wait. It will give the human support from here.
Other than human support, how can you cater?
We can put a
No. It's more than
we can
40.
put a rope over here to make it above.
We can place the plank directly in that structure, but it won't be.
I think we
less than
can
4
fix
feet.
a plank in between these two angles, this triangle
Yes,
area,
this only.
and
only.
I can come like this only.
Okay, we
so
can
one of
try.
you please fit that plank
Put the plank on this structure.
Also put there.
here, but it will show a diagonal distance.
On the lower side. In the lower side, it is.
First, one of you come, please. One of you come.
Proceed directly on your
Not directly by putting the plank.
Take it slightly. Yes. Now you can place the plank.
Now
No.
place the one end of the plank in between these angles.
No.
Downside.
Below.
Uh,
Below that triangle. Below that
Just leave the
triangle.
plank chest number 8. Let her do it. Yes.
But it is touching the ground.
It won't touch the
Place
ground.
rope over there. On that white structure, we
Yes.
can place the rope.
Yes.
It won't work.
I think chest number 10, you should come here first.
Chest number 22. You come here.
Where is the rope?
Chest number 21.
Just put it like this only. I'll come like this.
अच्छा, no, it's not permission.
Okay, sir.
It
How
will
can
not
you
fit
put it
into
straight?
this triangle.
How can you put it straight?
The breath is more than the
Put it लगा के दिखाओ. You are putting it a different way. सही लगा के दिखाओ.
Where is the rope? Where is the rope?
Just put your plank here.
Yes. Put it
Just-
diagonally.
yes,
Put
yes.
it diagonally.
Or we can place the rope.
Yes.
I think you should come.
And
Yes,
put a rope.
Yes.
I think you should come.
Yes, it is workable.
Yes.
But the structure ukad gaya.
अभी टच नहीं हुआ.
Stand here.
No, sir, it is not touching.
Structure ऊपर आ रहा था. चलो.
Right portion we can
I
directly
think
stand here.
we
and
should
this
proceed
portion is
from
white.
the structure only.
We can
Okay.
also use
Or
that
this
portion.
one.
I
But
think
we have
should-
to make a loop over there, and one person has to go over there to
Yes.
make the loop.
So we
we
should
can
proceed
proceed
from
over
this
this structure. Yes.
You can stand there.
But time is running out.
So that is white in color.
Yes.
So that-
This is blue in color.
Chest
Okay.
number 10.
Completely blue.
But I think distance from here is less.
Yes.
This portion is blue.
This is blue. इतना तो blue है पीछे.
Now put a bully under this.
We will put a balli.
Yes.
Yes.
Give me the balli. Where
Where's
is
the bully?
Also use a rope.
Put a rope first and then bully. Yes.
Is it stable?
No, sir.
How we will keep it vertical? The blue portion is there.
तो आगे दिखाओ ना. आगे नहीं दिखाओ.
It is not stable.
But it is going on the blue portion.
It will not stable. We have to
not
hold
broken.
it.
Yes, sir.
It is stable. It's not stable.
It is not stable.
So can we start from this side? Don't use this idea. Just number 10 we can also move from there. This is not workable.
One can proceed.
Yes, one can go there.
One can proceed.
I think the one who is
Lighter one can
lighter
proceed
should
if
move
someone
first. I think chest number 8 should move first.
Chal, Sejal.
Just number 10. Let us
Okay,
hold
okay.
some space.
Yes. It is blue portion. You can.
Any rule broken? पाँव का है?
Not.
Chal, chal.
You can touch the blue portion.
Yes. You can proceed.
Oh, it's not stable.
It is stable. वो गड़बड़ा गई.
It's not stable.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's not working.
सिर्फ तेरे को भेजना है मुझे वहाँ पे क्योंकि तो लूप बना रहे समझी वापस आओ इसीलिए बोला मैंने हल्के वाले को भेजा।
Plank there with the help of balli. First of all, go. It's a last one.
आराम से जा बिना हिले जाना चल जा
I think there is one more idea. We can directly use this white surface and put a plank here and put the plank there on the white surface also. We can try.
It is more than 4 feet. We can try. Okay, we can.
I think we can try.
No, not in this way. Put the balli over here.
It will not stable because the portion is coming on downwards. It is not stable.
Put the balli over here.
Explain your idea.
What do you want? You want rope? You just make
I
a
think
loop
chess
over
number
there.
14 is having one idea. We should listen to her also.
Which one?
We also have this structure. If we can put
From
it.
there, I have to make.
Arey, from it is more reachable from this platform.
Chess number 8, make a loop from this ankle,
Yes,
which is
make a loop.
visible.
Rule broken. इसके पाँव का है?
Yes, sir.
अरे यहाँ से कहीं है।
Yes.
No.
From there,
Yes. Make a longer loop
Longer loop from both the ends.
from both the ends. Yes.
It is blue. I have to stand here. Why? With the help of human support, one can. It will touch the ground, no?
Chess number 8,
Plank will touch the ground. Or
put
this is
one
blue.
end from that behind.
this push. This is not
Okay, okay, okay. We will
Take a rope
place
like
the
this.
rope.
Huh.
Okay, now.
And
And you are saying that
What?
and yes.
If you want this structure?
also tie from.
Okay, what do you want to do?
You can.
क्या
No.
करना चाहते हो? Loop
Chess
बना
number
के?
8. Yes.
I think you should. From but Dev, how can I?
अरे what do you want to do? Loop बनाकर क्या करना चाहते हो बताओ?
So we are
Plank
hanging
आगे
the
लेके
one
जाना
end of the plank to that loop, so that the diagonal
You are
distance
saying this
should
loop,
decrease.
loop.
So will it
Double
come here?
side.
How?
I think
Not like
double
this?
side.
Pass me the plank first.
Yes.
One person can go there with the help of this structure.
I'm listening.
I think one more
We are
person.
trying for that structure also.
You can use it.
Okay.
You just come here first.
Okay. It will touch the ground. It will touch the ground. It is blue in color. Okay.
And it
You
is
are
more
saying
than
to
4
proceed
feet.
from
We
this
can't
structure.
directly reach to that structure.
What is your idea? Just number 12.
English.
Is it
Huh?
is it white in color?
Okay.
Sir,
We can
Yes.
try.
Yes.
Give me
is
the
it
plan.
white in color?
Yes.
So we can put. Excuse
It
me.
is blue
chess
in
number-
color.
Yeah, that is chess number 21.
Yes.
This is also blue.
Yes.
How can we place the
We
plank?
can use this loop.
This is
Okay,
this portion
that
is blue
is-
in
that
color.
is-
Pass me plank.
Chess number 10 we can.
Chess number 10. Pass me the
Yes.
plank. Chess number 10. Pass me the plank. Yes, sir. Fix it here like this.
That's why
I
was
think the
saying
loop
to
is little
pass
bit
from
longer.
it.
Yes.
Yes, we
Make it
used
one
it.
more.
I know.
Instead
Yes.
of using this, we can make.
Now we can directly come like this. Is it
Okay.
okay or not?
Yes, it is okay. Just have a stable support for it.
Leave it. Leave it. Chess
You
number
can
8.
jump.
More than 4 feet.
Jumping is not allowed in structures.
Yes.
Okay.
Your time is running out.
Yes.
Okay. Proceed.
Now I
test
think-
number 21. Proceed.
Remove. Yes.
It is not
No.
touching.
It is not touching.
But the loop, make the tighter one from the left hand side.
Put the plank here only.
First, tie the.
Put the plank. It's okay. I'll tie it.
Okay, it's now okay. और इसके आगे लूप बना के किस स्ट्रक्चर पे जाना है? उसी वाली वजह
It is tighter.
बट रेड है यार आगे वाला टायर नहीं है वो लूप नहीं है बस
Yes.
How many people can come there?
2.
तो आगे
Sir,
कैसे जाओगे?
2 at a time.
Now,
We have to make the loop.
sir,
on
now we
the
will make
structure.
a loop here and
हाँ.
put the plank and fix the plank
करके
one end.
दिखाओ ना।
Give me the plank.
Chess number 8. I think you should hold the plank first
Okay.
and keep it here or here, so that it would be easy for you.
Just number 22, you can use this rope.
She is making the double sided loop.
This rope is I think small.
Yes, the plank will be reachable over there.
If it is more than 4 feet, then
Yes,
we can.
we can place the plank now.
But this is red portion where we can put a rope here.
Chess number 10. Please open the loop.
This is too much tight.
I think
क्या हो
we
गया?
should
बोलना बंद हो गया सबका?
Yes.
में थक गए क्या?
increase the distance of the loop so that this can
जोर से बोलना।
we can directly apply the plank over there.
Chess number 21. You can also put the bully there.
Where?
We one
This portion
one have to go over there now.
also we can take support of this.
बहुत tight है ये.
How we can?
This is-
Okay. Yes.
This is
Yes. Yes. Yes.
white in color, so we can
नहीं खुल रही है.
Yes. So we will put the plank like this.
wait. No. Put the
It will touch the the lower side
I think-
structure is lower side color
I
is
think
white
one
only.
more loop is required. Like this.
Chest number
Right?
21. Chest number 21. Tighten the loop. This idea is workable. Tighten the loop.
Yes.
Just make the loop more tight.
Just hold the plank
What?
first.
You want to open it?
Hold the plank. Huh.
Pass this bully to them. They will keep that between the strands.
Tight the rope, tight the rope.
Open the rope, just make it the loop more.
Chest number 8. Chest number 8.
We can use this.
Chest number 8. Place the bully over that lower side of the plank, which is touching the structure. Bowl usko, bowl.
Chest number 8.
चल रहा है.
Chest number 8.
Yes.
Chest number 8.
Yes, sir.
Place this bully under the structure, between the plank and structure. Place it so that it will be stable. Yes. Make it in the low. पीछे. Plank को पीछे से नीचे कर और बल्ली लगा.
Like this. Yes.
Not like this. Plank को नीचे कर बल्ली लगा. पीछे से नीचे कर plank को और बल्ली लगा.
I think chest number 8.
यार,
There is no need for the rope. You are saying this.
you have to keep the bully inside the plank and the structure.
Okay. 8.
Yes.
Okay.
You try.
Chest
You
number
try.
8.
Give me this.
8. Replace with 39. चलो उधर. आ जाओ उधर. बताओ क्या करोगे.
Chest number 39. Do it. ये देख, ये क्या है?
अरे तो वो उसके लिए तो स्पेस भी तो चाहिए ना.
Oh, yes.
ये ले.
Now it is stable.
हद है यार. Now one can proceed. Chest number 21 will proceed. Just stable the plank. Chest number 39. Just hold it.
Any rule broken?
Yes, sir.
Loop tight. Loop has to be tight.
Sir, can I go there?
आ जाओ. चलो. हाँ बताओ.
Keep it here.
Loop has to be tight. Chest number क्या है इसका? 12.
We can use the another rope to not keep
It opened. It opened. Chest number 21.
Use it.
Opened.
I was asking for this only.
जब तक ये स्ट्रक्चर के नीचे नहीं होगी तब तक ये हिलती रहेगी. एकदम प्रॉपर स्ट्रक्चर के नीचे होना चाहिए प्लांक.
Yes.
वो हिल रहा है. प्लांक हिल रहा है बार-बार. Yeah, we can try with the obstacle. Permanent structure.
Then reply to her question. What is she telling?
We cannot tie both of them with the flexible one. She was asking this one.
इसको बल्ली का शायद कोई यूज आ ही नहीं रहा है.
Just wait for a minute.
अगर आगे पुट करते हैं ना पैर तो
Yes, sir.
I think the loop is
Right
little
from
bit
the structure.
loose.
Just handle that plank. Okay, it's stable now. Stable. हो गया. But वापस टाइप करना पड़ेगा.
लास्ट वाला कैसे टाइप कर रहा है. लास्ट वाला कैसे कर रहा है.
प्लांक पल्ली हटा देते हैं ना.
तो मैं तो वो बोल रही थी इसका तो कोई
Chest number 39. Now remove the bully.
First, hold the plank also.
Hold the plank. Remove the bully.
don't touch the rope to the ground. I think we one.
Pass on the bully.
Just put the bully on the white structure.
Any rule broken?
Yes, sir.
Ropes. Now proceed. First make the loop. Where pass the rope. Chest number
Okay,
21.
I have understood. एक आ जाओ इधर. एक आ जाओ चलो. अभी क्या करोगे?
अपन अगर नया तरीका ऐड कर सकते हैं. देखो इसको ऐसे करेंगे. बस
रस्सी का क्या करना है?
What is the use? क्या करना चाहते हो?
Sir, she is trying some new
नहीं,
idea.
बताओ ना मेरे क्या करना है.
इसको टाइटली यहाँ पे बांध देंगे.
Then
से बल्ली यहाँ पे पुट कर देंगे इसके और इसके बीच में मतलब अल्टरनेट करके ऐसे.
we will place the plank over there with alternative side. You want to say this? Sir, we can try it.
करो.
इसको टाइटली बांध इधर से लेके एकदम.
बांधने की जरूरत है?
I think instead of that, we can directly make a one end of the plank to fit that ankle and put the bully under this also. Just fix the plank like this. Yes.
But it will move ना.
No, it will not. It will not stable.
इसको टाइटली करना पड़ेगा ना.
We can hold it.
So last
Sir, is it
चल के दिखाओ इजिट क्या है मेरे को.
okay?
इसको टाइटली
Go,
बांध देंगे.
go, proceed.
I think listen, chest number 10. Instead of doing that, we can make it in between
Loop
the loops
only.
also. Yes.
Or we can try this.
This is also a
Workable.
good idea. Yes. I think one of you can pass.
बल्ली को ऊपर पुट कर दे ताकि इसको टाइटली बांध
Plank.
What is the other method? और क्या कर सकते हो?
Loop.
कैसे?
Two side loop and then placing the plank over
वो
there.
तो पहले ही कर रहे थे.
हाँ सर वो ये बल्ली.
Lower side also we can make. The previous idea only.
Yes, so there is one more idea that we can fix the ankle, the last end of the plank to that also that the chest number 10 was applying previously, and put it. The loop should be much more smaller than this, and it will be fixable. It won't be able
Okay.
to go
In
down.
this and may will make a loop over here. You are saying this?
No,
Then
the similar idea which you were applying before.
okay. In which we will not use balli.
Yes.
Got it. Now you can proceed. Chest number 39. You can proceed. Yes, yes.
चीज स्टेबल हो रही तब नाउ इट
Yes, the diagonal.
This is the idea of chest number 39.
How can you make it more stable with this method?
So with the help of the rope.
we can use the rope
Yes.
Tie up with both of them with the structure.
Yes. Pull the plank with the help of the rope more tightly.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Say.
you can put a rope over there
Where? Here?
tie it in a crossword so it will make it secure it
Also we can make a loop.
With that structure you are saying.
I think now it is stable. One of you can pass here. Just
can
remember
try, we
chest
can
number
try.
39.
As we are
Chest
running
number
out of time.
39. Just remember to put
Okay.
your leg towards your left.
Put your leg over here.
Towards your left.
Go.
Don't
Proceed.
put the pressure towards the right.
Yes, sir. This is stable now.
They're all broken.
Yes, sir.
वापस. पैदल आ जाओ इधर. अभी चलो. Go.
Place your leg here. Go. Again. Little.
Okay.
I think now.
Now. आगे कैसे जाओगे बताओ. Okay. All of you come here. इधर आ जाओ.
So that is white in color. That
Which
platform.
one? No.
That one.
बल्ली निकालो 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 निकालो.
Blue in color.
Yes.
Okay, so I think it is less than 4 feet.
ये चीज तुम लोग यूज कर रहे हो ना ये वाला.
नहीं, it is more than 4.
यहाँ से
Sir.
हाँ वही वही प्रियंका दीदी बोल रही है.
Okay. चलो.
तो फिर उसका
Okay. Now.
लुक का सपोर्ट
Now tell me. यहाँ तक आगे. Okay. All of you come here. इधर आ जाओ.
Now I think I want
Now,
someone.
how will you get the last person?
रोड तो नहीं लेके आएगी
Road.
अरे how will you get the last person?
make a loop
Sir, with the loop
Nice.
only. We will remove the balli and rope.
One of you stand here.
Okay, so from here.
Lighter one. Chest number 12.
How do you get my friend to?
लाइटर वन ऐसे क्या बोल रही है.
Okay.
Sir,
What
we
will
will
you do?
we will remove the balli which was placed over there with the rope and the loop.
So we
be
will
there
use this
only
structure.
and we will take the
But
person.
rope, if you, when you take out the rope, it will touch the red.
Yes.
Sir, we will try to take the plank from this side so that it will not touch the red area.
तो यहाँ पे अगर
But
प्लैंक
the red portion is not there in the.
चलो ये लगा दिया. अलग करके दिखाओ तुम. करके दिखाओ.
प्लैंक प्लैंक से ऐसे करके दिखाएं.
This is always a traditional idea, I think.
how balli will reach
ठीक है वो भी.
Okay. When you are tying, इतना सिर्फ तो बांध सकते हो क्या प्रॉब्लम?
सर यही तो है हमारा फर्स्ट आइडिया. इसी से तो हमने किया था.
अरे बांधने की बात कर रहा हूँ.
He is asking the knot type.
So now we will give her the human support from this side.
Okay. ठीक है.
turn the plan
Okay. Now.
अभी क्या करोगे?
Arey, wait. Chest number 8. Now. Come.
it is touching the red
But it is
The below part is not red in color.
Arey, but
बैठ जा. नहीं, sorry sir, नहीं बैठ नीचे. देख उसको पहले. You are supposed
it
to
is
have-
white.
What you should do? अगर डाउट होता तो नीचे झुक के देखो. देख.
this idea is more work.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
चलो.
No,
Don't
don't place
put
your
your
leg
feet
over
here.
here. You place your leg here.
हाँ ठीक है. चलो.
Come.
आ जाओ अब तो आ जाओ.
Come.
Put your leg on the.
Come early. You don't have to stay on plank only.
Now, okay, I have with consistent effort she can come, but how will you take out the plank? बताओ.
Like this.
Okay, चलो आगे. यहाँ से आगे बताओ.
We will place the balli in this hole and then reach over there.
yes
क्या
While making the loop and put
What is
plank,
that?
place it.
अभी क्या करोगे?
Yes.
वो तो बल्ली की जरूरत है?
No,
चलो,
sir.
चलो आ जाओ फिर भी आ गए फिर.
बली टूट जाएगी, बली टूट जाएगी.
Okay, from here, if you put the
lighter
plank
person.
directly, you'll able to reach.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, चलो, thank you. रख दो ये वापस इधर.